Reasons why she comes back after you give her distance. Welcome to this deep exploration of emotional connection. When you strategically introduce distance into a relationship, it acts as a powerful catalyst for her emotional return. This phenomenon isn't merely about physical absence, it is a psychological shift that reignites attraction, curiosity, and commitment. By understanding the underlying dynamics of red light and green light phases, we can uncover why she naturally gravitates back to you after experiencing your space. The psychology of strategic absence, red light phase. When emotions are at their peak, laughing, smiling, or opening up, it is the perfect moment to introduce distance. This strategic pullback ensures that her absence hits her hardest precisely when she feels most connected. Emotional peaks. Disappearing during high emotion moments creates a stronger impact than withdrawing during low energy periods. She begins to miss your energy and actively shapes the emotional high spots. Calm. Calm. Reconnection. Upon her return, you remain calm, light, and natural, demonstrating that your warmth is consistent regardless of her initiative. This mix of warmth and distance keeps her emotionally hooked. Maintaining control. Your goal is to keep feelings alive while maintaining control over the emotional balance. You continue giving warmth and consistency, but introduce a slight unpredictability to prevent stagnation. Signs. Triggering her return and effort. Distance becomes necessary when her emotional energy starts to decline. Recognizing specific behavioral signals allows you to time your pullback effectively, ensuring she feels compelled to reach out. Taking you for granted. When she stops showing excitement in her messages, or feels you will always be there without effort, it signals a need for space to restore appreciation. Slower communication. A shift towards replying slower or shorter than before indicates that the initial momentum is waning, prompting her to seek your attention once distance is introduced. Renewed initiative. When she no longer seems curious about you or stops initiating contact, a gentle reduction in your attention makes her miss your presence early, motivating her to regain the connection. Sparking curiosity and mystery. Green light phase. To sustain attraction beyond simple reconnection, focus on sparking curiosity not just about yourself, but also about an engaging idea or story that draws her emotions. This approach balances warmth with mystery to keep her imagination active. Playful unpredictability. Be confident and a little unpredictable by offering teasing comments or unexpected ideas that make her stop and think. Do not give away everything at once. Allow her imagination to fill the gaps. Balanced attention. The key is balancing warmth and mystery, enough to make her feel comfortable, yet curious about what's next. Once she engages more with your communication, this signals a shift toward deeper commitment. Emotional alive rhythm. When she feels too confident, add mystery. When she feels uncertain or missing you, bring comfort. This rhythm ensures she is always wanting to earn your energy again. Underlying psychological drivers for reconnection. Several core psychological principles drive her return after distance, ensuring the relationship deepens rather than fades during periods of separation. The Zeigarnik effect. Unfinished tasks or conversations create a sense of tension that compels her to seek closure through re-engagement with you. Intermittent reinforcement. By varying your attention and responses, you reinforce the value of your presence, making her effort feel more rewarding when she returns. The principle of scarcity. Your deliberate distance creates a sense of scarcity regarding your time and energy, increasing her perceived value of the relationship and motivating pursuit. Maintaining frame through distance. Your ability to maintain a strong frame during periods of absence is crucial for sustaining long-term attraction and preventing anxiety from arising in her mind. Preserving your energy. Don't disappear completely, just reduce your attention by replying slower, becoming less expressive, or skipping days of contact. This rebalances the emotional flow effectively. Embedded commands and presuppositions. Use language that subtly guides her towards thinking about you as a constant presence, even when physically apart. Silent treatment strategy. Utilize moments of silence to allow space for reflection, ensuring that your absence is perceived as intentional rather than neglectful. Final thoughts and appreciation. The journey of giving distance and receiving her return is a testament to the power of natural love methods. By aligning with red light and green light phases, you create an environment where she feels emotionally charged, curious, and valued. This approach ensures that your relationship remains dynamic, resilient, and deeply connected over time. Thank you for utilizing the premium version of Love Map to explore these insights. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model is available for your love journey. Suggested next steps for your love journey. To further deepen your understanding and application of these principles, consider selecting one of the following topics to explore in our next interaction. 1. How to implement specific techniques for red light phase reconnection. Explore actionable strategies like specific communication rhythms or activities that reinforce emotional peaks during distance periods. 2. Mastering communication styles to enhance curiosity and mystery. Delve into methods for crafting messages and conversations that maintain her interest and prevent the relationship from becoming routine. 3. Overcoming common challenges in maintaining emotional balance. Identify potential obstacles in long-distance dynamics and learn how to sustain emotional momentum during periods of change or uncertainty.